Hey crafters, Happy New Year! Welcome to 2024 and the January Free SVG. I was thinking about what to do for the first SVG of 2024, and what better than something inspirational? So we're making this great tote bag. What better way than to start the year believing that you are enough? Because you are. If you're new here, I'm Sarah and I love all things craft. So this month's free SVG is one that's super simple but full of meaning. And in no time, you can make yourself a tote bag or a t-shirt or make it for a gift and give it to someone who needs a quick pick-me-up. Once you download this video, and I'll leave a link on how to do that below, the biggest decision you need to make is what colors to use. And then cut it out of your heat transfer vinyl. Don't forget to mirror and you're good to go. So that's enough chatting from me. Grab your supplies and let's get crafting. So for this project, what we're going to need is a tote bag. I just got this one from my local craft store and it was only a couple of dollars. And I think they're great. I just bought a bunch of them because they make great little gifts. You can pop some things inside of them or just give them as a gift. Whatever works. This is great. And you'll need some iron-on vinyl. So I've just got two colors here, but you can choose what colors you want or as many as you like. And we will need a heat press and your Cricut, of course. And that's it. So we'll jump over to Design Space to get the design ready to cut. Once you've downloaded it from my website, let's upload it to Design Space. And we'll add it to our canvas. So when it comes into Design Space, you'll see that it has 4 layers. If we click on it and ungroup it, you'll see that that's one layer, that's one layer, that's one layer, and that's one layer. Let's just put them back where they were. Okay. So what I'm going to do is change the colors of the ones I'm going to cut from a different color vinyl, which is the UR and enough. I'm just going to cut those out of the pinky coloured vinyl, and these ones are going to be cut from black. So what I want to do is I want to attach the 2 top black pieces together so that they cut out in one piece, so it's easier when I go and put it on my tote bag. So we just highlight both of them and click attach. Now I just need to resize it to the size for my tote bag. So I've done a measurement and about 25 centimeters is what I'll need it to be. So we'll just change that. And that's pretty much it. We're ready to cut it out. So we go to make it. And you will see that the black pieces are attached to each other there, which means I can put the words in between and I don't need to try and line up each of those individual layers because they're both together. And the other words are there. Now at this stage, what we want to do is make sure we mirror. Because we're cutting it from heat transfer vinyl, it needs to be mirrored and the vinyl needs to be put on your mat shiny side down. So I'll just move that over and then we can go continue. Now once we choose iron on, it does give us another quick little reminder. Make sure your mirror is on and your iron on material is face or shiny side down. So once we've got that already, we are ready to go and cut this. So we'll just send it to the Cricut. So now I've cut out the vinyl. As you can see, it's shiny side down, which is what you need to do when you cut iron on. And we're just going to weed this. There we go, all weeded. Now I'm just going to iron out the creases. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Oh, we don't want that little bit on there. So we want to get that in the center. So there we go, that's about right. Pop this back under here. Okay, 150 degrees for 12 seconds. Now once that's cool, we can pull that off. And we'll keep that piece. Now we can line this one up. There we go, that's about right. So we'll just pop this bit over the top again before we press it down. Now I'm going to just pop this last piece just in here where this gap is without taking off these carrier sheets. There we go, and give this one a press. When it's cool, we can pull all of our carrier sheets off. I'm just going to pop some baking paper over the top and give it a final press. And there we go. I love it, looks great. Well, how did that turn out for you? I love it. It's perfect for the new year. I hope you had fun crafting with me today. Let me know in the comments below how you went. What colours did you use? Did you do a t-shirt, a tote bag? Let me know. You can find all the links in the description below, including the link to this month's free SVG. And while you're there, why don't you sign up for my monthly newsletter? That way you'll get notified every month and you'll never miss a free SVG. If you like this video, remember, thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you did. And I'll be back soon with some more crafty adventures. But until then, once again, Happy New Year. But also you have a fabulous week and I'll see you next time. Bye.